your monitor's cheap stand is wasting prime desk space and destroying your posture. Most monitor arms are wobbly, hard to adjust, or can't hold modern screens. After testing them with heavy 4K displays, I found only 5 offer rock-solid stability and smooth, effortless movement. The worst sagged under pressure. The Champion. It holds my 40-inch monitor with one finger and hides all my cables inside. Reclaim your desk and your spine. Here are the 5 that actually work. Starting at number 1. HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand. HUANUO Dual Mount is a premium dual monitor stand that can hold two 13-inch-35 screens up to 26.4 pounds. The enlarged arms extend up to 25.6 inch and can be raised up to 21 for comfortable height adjustment. With full motion adjustments, the screens can swivel from -90 degrees to +90 degrees, tilt from -30 degrees to +85 degrees, and rotate 360 degrees. The enlarged base and sturdy construction ensure superb stability, and it supports both clamp and bolt-through grommet mounting for desk thicknesses up to 3.54 inch. The built-in USB port provides an easy way to charge your USB devices. This monitor desk mount holds 2 monitors on one stand-up off your desktop, freeing up much more valuable space on your desk. The integrated cable management system keeps your cords in order and out of sight, making your workspace clutter-free. Number 2. MOUNTUP Dual Monitor Stand. The MOUNTUP Dual Monitor Mount is a universal desk mount that fits screens up to 32 inches diagonal and 17.6 pounds. The full-motion monitor arm provides flexible, independent positioning of both monitors, with 135 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation. The quick installation with C-clamp or grommet base makes it easy to assemble. The premium gas spring arms offer full monitor movement with 19.9 inch of arm extension and 9.4 foot of height adjustment range. The dual monitor mount comes with cable management to conceal wires within arms, freeing up more desk space. This professional space saver is perfect for double monitor users looking to gain more productivity and comfort. Number 3. Vivo Dual Monitor Desk Mount. The Vivo Dual Monitor Desk Mount is a heavy-duty, fully adjustable stand that can fit 2 LCD LED screens up to 30 inches in size and up to 22 pounds in weight each. This mount offers a wide range of movement with an adjustable arm that provides +90 degrees to -90 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, 360 degrees rotation, and height adjustment along the center pole. Monitors can be placed in portrait or landscape orientation. Additionally, this mount is easy to install with detachable Visa bracket plates and includes cable management clips for a clean and organized workspace. The sturdy steel design is backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty and friendly tech support to help with any questions or concerns. Number 4. WALI Monitor Mount. The WALI monitor arm is perfect for enhancing your workspace. It supports a wide range of screens from 17 to 34 inches and can hold up to 26.4 pounds, ensuring compatibility with most monitors. You can easily adjust the arm to swivel, tilt, and rotate, allowing for customized positioning that promotes comfort and reduces strain on your neck and eyes. Installation is a breeze with 2 methods available: clamp or grommet base. This makes it simple to set up and start enjoying a more organized desk space. Number 5. HUANUO Single Monitor Mount. The HUANUO Single Monitor Mount is a Visa mount with clamp and grommet base that fits 17 to 27-inch LCD computer monitors weighing between 4.4 and 14.3 pounds. It is designed for ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable and better viewing experience. It is also safer and sturdier than other single monitor desk mounts, with a tilt range from -50 degree to +35 degrees, plus or minus 90 degree swivel, and 360 degree rotation. This gas spring monitor arm is easy to use and can save over 80% desktop space, making it perfect for those who want to maximize their workspace. To finally clear your desk and achieve the perfect viewing angle, links to all 5 top-rated monitor arms are waiting in the description. If this test helped you build a healthier, more productive workspace, please like this video, share it with anyone who works at a desk, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell for our next review where we test standing desks under heavy weight and movement. Thanks for watching.